Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect single-serving crème brûlée. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to create right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 large egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, grab a small ramekin, a baking dish, and a kitchen torch. Now, let's prepare our rich custard base. In a small bowl, whisk the egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of the granulated sugar until it becomes pale and slightly thickened. Next, gently warm the heavy cream and vanilla extract in a saucepan over medium heat until it just barely simmers. Slowly, and while continuously whisking, pour the warm cream into the egg mixture to temper it, preventing the eggs from scrambling. With our custard mixed, it is time for baking. Pour the custard into your ramekin and place it into a larger baking dish. This next step is crucial. Create a water bath by filling the larger dish with hot water, reaching about halfway up the ramekin sides. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. The final, most satisfying step is creating that iconic caramelized sugar crust. First, ensure your baked custard is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. Then, sprinkle the remaining 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar evenly over the entire surface. Now, grab your kitchen torch and carefully caramelize the sugar until it transforms into a beautiful, golden, and glassy crust. Enjoy your perfect single-serving crème brûlée.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.